Alrighty folks, so today I'm going to be working on the 04 TDI turbo diesel. Going to be doing an exhaust on it, the do-it-yourselfer. Just got to make sure you got 1,000 clamps, a few bucks each at the old parts store. Get you some pipe. Probably plan on about $50 or so, maybe less, depending on what you're working with. So let's give you a stock sound, right? Got the old girl, let's fire up. Ooh. Just picked this bad boy up, I think for like 4,200 it was the lowest mild, best price, the only manual on KSL at the time. Wait for her to fire up real quick. Let's see, pop the hood. See, it's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet. So it's just quiet, right? Doesn't make a noise except for some boosty boy noises, I guess. And then thing I do want to show you is what I did to the old girl. Why would you pay $200-300 bucks for an intake when you can make one real quick yourself? Had the spare old boot laying around, had the spare pipe laying around, you know, put a little plug in where a hose goes, quick little clamp, tiny filter from the parts store, and then make her a little hose adapter. We got an intake on her too, it sounds pretty good, gets a little better gas mileage with her. Oh yeah. Yeah. So let's get to it. I'll keep you updated throughout the process. Alrighty, so now that we've got her propped up properly, got that back there, I wouldn't advise doing this setup at home. I'd use your Harbor Freight jack stands, but we aren't by Harbor Freight right now, so we're gonna make it work. And then what you're gonna want next, you're gonna want a chop saw, your sawzall. This one's a classic, but we know it's gonna get the job done. And if you're looking for a cheapie, you go to the old Harbor Freight, pick yourself up one with your 25% off coupon, and you'll be in business. So this is what we're working with, folks. So we got the muffler off so far. Just gonna give you the sound tutorial with the muffler off. Just sitting here. Still, it's like pretty quiet. Still, just a lot more turbo noises. See, just turbo noises. So we're gonna put a high flow cat in and see what it sounds like now. So we got a high flow cat in there. This is no pipe, no tailpipe, just high flow cat. sound clip. What we're working with here. Alrighty. Make it short and sweet, get you the important stuff with the sound clip, right? Or hits the economy. Right there at 90. Alrighty guys, here we are taking her for a little test drive after the exhaust is fully complete. Right now we're pulling an average of 48.9, and let's show you, this is actually a little inaccurate. This is actually shows lower than we're actually getting. Come on. Alright, so we're at 48.6 on 107 miles. That means we're 7 cents a mile. So for that 100 and something miles, I'm $7.13. So be careful doing the exhaust though if you're tuned, because you might overspool the turbo, something you don't want. But I'm not worried about that because I'm doing a bigger turbo. So alright, we'll see ya